is how my room first looks like when you walk in. And to start off, I'm going to be showing you guys my big body mirror I got from ikea. It's super big. It takes up a bunch of space in my room, but it's honestly super nice because you can like literally see your whole outfit from head to toe. Like, I hate those scrawny little skinny mirrors, like full body mirrors. I hate those. I really prefer this mirror because it's so big and like you can see everything. Yeah, and so yeah, it's really big when you get up close to it, but I don't want to get up close to it right now because I look really crusty. It's 12 a.m. and I'm literally recording this video because I just got done cleaning my room. So yeah, and I just hang my keys up there because I had a nail there and I was like, why not? And so with my bed, I got my bed from Amazon. It was literally like $130 something. I will be linking all of the items I bought down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I got it at Amazon and it was so cheap, and it came with just the headboard and the frame, so you don't need no what are they called, a spring box, because my last bed had that and I literally had to throw it away because I don't need it. My whole bed set is from Target and Walmart. So my quilt, my gray quilt, is from Walmart. So are my white sheets from Walmart. The 2 white pillows are from Target, I want to say. They're from Target. I don't remember. Either they're from that or Homegoods. I forgot. The sparkly pillow is from Forever 21. And going over here, I got a nightstand. And it's from Target. The lamp is also from Target. I got that at Target as well. And I made sure that it had the little connecting thing because I always use my phone and waste it like super fast, so I want it to be like near me. I don't want it to be reaching far. And inside I just have my braces thing. I have like this ice thing, I don't know why. My headphones, you know, just in case I ever want to like listen to music. I got it right here on the side. And of course chapstick because my lips be getting chapped at night. So that's all I have there. I don't know, it's just random stuff that I have there. Towards my vanity, I just have my brush holder, which I got at Marshall's. And honestly, it's like for the bathroom, so you can put your toothbrushes and stuff, but obviously I used it as my brush holder because it's super pretty. Like, I don't know, I really liked how it looked. And my room, my theme is like gray, white, and a little bit of gold, so I thought this was perfect. Sorry, my brushes are like super dirty because I literally just used them this morning. And right here I just have this little, I don't know, holder, but I usually put just my beauty blender on there or whatever, the sponge on there. And I sometimes just leave my eyelashes on here when I'm like in a hurry. And then this little thing, I have just my lipsticks, my lip liners, concealers, and lip pencils, or not lip pencils, but eyeliners and stuff. Bronzers over here, highlighters over here, more highlighter, eyebrow stuff, and the sharpener. I also have my spray right here and this cute little freaking lip smacker. I remember a long time ago when I don't know if you guys used to use these, but the roll-on ones that were flavored, those were my favorite. And then yeah, my foundations are right here, and of course my Maybelline Fit Me, never go wrong with those. I always use that, always. You guys know it if you've been watching my channel since the beginning. And then I have a Fenty foundation here, but I barely use it. Like, it's still pretty full. I only use it sometimes. You can find the front, yeah. And then I also got this at Marshall's, and it's super cute. Like, I put my cotton balls there and Q-tips for whenever I'm like, I usually just use Q-tips and the cotton balls to clean my piercings. That's pretty much it. And over here I just have my Urban Decay setting sprays. Going towards over here, I have my high school diploma. I went to Lakeside High School, yup. I have a candle that I got at Route 21, you know, the basic pink ice, whatever. I thought it was cute, so I just have it there. I never really use it. Then I have my favorite perfume, Versace, my favorite, all-time favorite. I also like the bright crystal one. I have it, but I'm waiting to run out of this one first before I open that one. And then I just have this these roses, white roses that I got from Homegoods. And this little glass, whatever this is, I got it from Forever 21 online. And going towards over here, I just have this little what are they called? I don't know, Glade fresheners, but it makes my room smell super good. This chair is obviously from IKEA. If you guys don't remember from my last video, from IKEA. My mirror, my vanity mirror, is from Impressions Vanity. I actually went to the warehouse to go get it because ain't nobody trying to pay the shipping. And then let me show you guys what I have in my drawer. So this is my hair drawer. Like, I just have everything that's with my hair, like my straightener, my curling iron, my brush, bobby pins are in here, hair ties, hair clips, all of that in here. And then in this drawer I have eyelashes, and you guys should check out Lissa lashes. They're my favorite lashes ever. You guys can use my code HotCheetos10 for a 10% off, but they are so pretty. My favorite one right now has got to be the Drea one. They're like so fluffy and pretty. You guys need to check that out for sure. And then these lashes are from K Glow Glams. A mouthful to say, but they are also really pretty. I love these eyelashes. These are in the style Bougie, and you can use my code Versace, and I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out and purchase or get a pair of the eyelashes. And then in here I just have my chapsticks, because I'm like literally obsessed with chapsticks. I have so many chapsticks, but I always lose them for some reason. And there are my chapsticks, mascaras, my little eyelash tools, tweezers, mascara, eyeliners. And then in here I have all of my glitters that I use, my primers, and my just single eyeshadows that I have. And here are my powders, my palettes. I literally, all I have is Morphe. That's it. Morphe palettes. That's it. And then towards over here is just more glitter, some tape. And that's basically it. And my curtains are actually from Ross. I actually do not like them. I'm thinking of getting new ones because, I don't know, I just feel like they're not that nice. I don't know. I might get new ones. But I also wanted to get your opinion from you guys. I don't know if I should keep the fur carpet here. I don't know if it looks good like that, like when you first walk in my room. I don't know. You guys should tell me what you guys think. Where should I put it? I don't know. Do you guys think it looks good right here? Like, or, because I took it out from here because it was like a big mistake putting my carpet right there, because it would get so dirty from my makeup, like some fallout and stuff. So it was like a big mistake. So I ended up putting it here, but I'm like not sure if it looks good right there or if I should put it there. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it there, then let me know. But yeah, that's basically it. This is my room. I know it's super small and tiny, but I really like how it is. I'm super comfortable with it. I love it. Oh, and before I forget, you guys wanted to know what paint I used, and I got it at Walmart for like $17, and it looks like this, so you guys can screenshot or whatever. And the color, so you guys, I don't know, I can't read the name of it. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I hope you guys liked my room tour, or whatever this is called, updated room tour, because I did get new things along the way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.